You're gonna love this.
Oh my god.
No.
I'm gonna die.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
I don't look like a model.
No.
Oh, God. That is diabolical. Today we're reacting to the Makeovers from Supermodel Me on Netflix. They have a bunch of beautiful models and they're about to ruin their hair. Someone's gonna be bald. I already know it.
Today, we are going to be unlocking one of your best looks ever with the help of Sunji Matsuo's team of hairstylists. It's makeover time!
And you see, that's good for some girls and not good for others. Because some girls are gonna get really good haircuts and hairstyles, and some are gonna be bald. I personally would not be celebrating if I was in this room. One of the girls, she's like, she didn't even celebrate.
Everyone is super excited, but Priska, she looks terrified.
The last
She has every
thing
right
I
to be.
want in the world is to have a makeover, but nobody's worried about their hair. I'm the only one worried here.
As you should be. See, that is what I would go into. I would be like very skeptical. Trust no one on these shows because you could exit here looking like Lord Farquaad from Shrek. But at least he was in a movie. And that's what I could say for that.
Hi, Priska.
I really hope they don't cut my hair because my
And they're gonna cut her hair, just because she said. That producers are taking notes. They're like, she doesn't want her hair cut. Let's cut her hair. That's what you're giving them notes. Everything you say, you have to just say the opposite of what you want. You have to lie in these situations, and I'll show you how. Okay, pretend I'm in the interview room, okay? Honestly, I don't care what they do to my hair. I trust them 1000%, and I would be happy with literally anything that they do. If they made me bald right now, if they just shaved my head, I would be so happy with that. I was actually bald for a year, yeah, so I'm totally used to it. When I was born, when I was a baby, I was bald, so I already like went through that, and I thought I rocked that look as a newborn.
I really hope they don't cut my hair because my long hair is part of my identity.
That's your look. Breathe.
I am so shocked when I see the photos of my hairstyle.
Oh, okay,
I
that's
hate
not...
it.
Okay, honestly, I was envisioning Lord Farquaad, okay? This is not so bad, okay? They could have given you like a Cynthia from the Rugrats haircut. So, it could be... What I'm saying is it could be worse. At least it's not like this short. That girl has a respectable haircut. They're barely doing it. They're like this. They're like, how's everything? Great. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it? We're indoors. No windows. Beautiful. Wonderful. This girl is not going to be traumatized, and I love that for her. Unfortunately, we can't say the same for the rest of the girls.
It's good different.
Oui. You're gonna love this.
Oh my god.
No.
I'm gonna die.
Don't do it. Don't do it. No. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. She did not just say, you're gonna love this, and then present to her a haircut that looks like it's one of the last options on The Sims.
She must be joking. I know you're not smiling, Cindy. I know that's not a smile right there. She's like, you're gonna love this. If this were me, I'm shutting down the iPad, putting it on charge, and I'm leaving immediately.
Oh my god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna pass out.
We're gonna just chop it off a little bit. And
A
we're
little
gonna
bit.
shave
That's the
side.
whole Habibta. That's what's left. What is left?
We're gonna shave the sides and
A
give you an
little bit.
undercut.
This is exactly what I don't want to have.
The plan
And
for my
she
makeover
laughs too. I think that's what makes it worse. Cindy's like, this is the villain origin story of every model, because there's no way that they have good intentions to giving her that hairstyle. You can't tell me they're not trying to ruin her life.
I'm tired of my basic bitch look, and I'm ready for it.
I just felt so relieved because, like, finally...
She's barely getting a haircut. They're doing this. They're doing this. Which is good. That God bless her. She's coming out of this unscathed, okay? Thank God.
You're going to cut it now? Okay. The hairdresser tied my hair. Oh my god. I'm trying not to cry. And then I hear a noise. And then, bam, no more hair.
I think that's insane for Priska to not change her hairstyle for like 10 years.
Is it?
Even my
Is
mom.
it? I feel like that's me. I get my hair cut like once a year. I hate anything I do to my hair. I hate it. Like even if it's what I wanted and I've been planning it for like 6 months in advance, I'm gonna get little bangs. I'm like, I hate it. Why did I do this? I regret it. And then I get used to it. Sometimes we don't like change, and that's okay. We're stuck in our ways, and that's fine with me. I'm okay with that. But if I was on a modeling show and they were doing all this, I'm calling the taxi. I'm gonna say I have to use the bathroom and I'm never coming back. And you can't be mad at me for it.
Even my mom changed her hair like once every year, you know?
Oh, wow.
It's pretty damaged.
That's a lot.
So looking around the room, there's Priska and Nikki. Their hairstyle, it's actually very normal. Like highlights, fringe.
That's and that's not bad. And that's not bad. We want that for the models because again, the normal haircuts help them get jobs. Because why hairstylists can do different looks on them. Commercial brands will want to work with them. You have to think in terms of a model, not just average, everyday. Like this, their hair is going to be maybe a reason why a brand books them. So you have to consider that.
Mine's like triple threats, man.
When I see the mixture of the color, it's so bright. And I was like, what did I get myself into? I'm not sure if I can carry that.
Oh my God.
Celine.
Okay, I'm just going to say, just from looking at this right now, the haircut is interesting on her. I don't see a lot of models with this type of haircut because it's so unique, and I don't see a lot of brands or I see very limiting opportunities for models with haircuts like this because again, just not very versatile for campaigns, editorials, things like that. So the haircut already, and then they're gonna put bright red on there. I don't know.
Celine, why are you crying?
The color, it doesn't suit me. I don't look like a model.
No. Just have to like wait and see what it looks like at the end.
Let's see. I don't know.
Is it gonna be better at the end? The haircut on its own already doesn't look good on her. If they already cut her bangs like this, I mean, first of all, how is this gonna grow out? How is that gonna grow out? And how long is it gonna take to grow out? And then they're gonna make it bright red. That is diabolical. That is diabolical work. Ma'am, it's time to get out of the chair and go home.
Let's see. I don't know. Let's see.
Oh, God. Okay, why is this? What's going on here? She looks skeptical a little bit about this haircut. Do you guys like this on her? How much did they pay this man? How much did they pay you, sir, to do this? Are you getting a bonus for this?
Not bad. Seeing how I look now.
Okay. Here's the thing. I don't think this suits her as an everyday model. I think for a fashion editorial, if they did something like this, it looks cool. But just for that one fashion editorial, not everyday hairstyle for a model. It's not realistic. It's not practical. Think about, she's going to have to get all new pictures with this hairstyle. And then if she changes this hair for any reason, guess what? She's going to have to get brand new pictures. If she changes the color or she gets it cut differently, she's going to have to do updated pictures every single time. Again, not practical for a model at all. So when girls usually have haircuts, always have to update the pictures in their book so clients know what they look like. I'm glad she likes it though. It seems like she's, getting used to it. But I think she looked better before.
Seeing how I look now, I want to cry with happy tears because it suits me very well. This look is worth the tears.
Oh my god.
I think this new hair is more fashionable than what I had.
They aged her like 10 years. She looks older. She looks older from this hairstyle that they and the color. She looks like she's picking up her child from boarding school in England with this look. She looks so much younger here. Look at that. That's crazy that they did that to her. They aged her 10 to 15 years. So she went from this to that. Do you guys think she looks better here? Because I don't see it.
This is a really
I don't know about this. Okay, I don't mind the bangs, but I feel like she looks better before. And then why do the bangs end here? I feel like it should have. I'm not a hairstylist, but like why is it all the way back here? I think she looks better here if they just did like maybe little bangs or something.
great opportunity to try something new. I'm so cool.
I love my new
Did they even do anything? See, this is what we wanted, just minimal changes. Did they even do anything for her? So this is the before.
I love
And that's the after. What changed? What's different? Her hair. They just blow dried her hair. But there's no difference. But that's what we wanted. So this was her before. And this was her after. Okay, honestly, I don't mind it. I think she looks good with this blonde.
I'm so excited to rock
Yeah,
this.
she looks good.
I have a new
Okay, this one, that wasn't bad. Do I like her with the bangs? Not really. I liked her with no bangs, but I would prefer something like this over Lord Farquaad and Cynthia hairstyles. Cynthia from the Rugrats.
All Thai fashion and commercial shoe. This is the
No. No, this looks like a wig. Okay, that lady from Despicable Me, I think with the, what's her name? The one that has the, it's that grandma with the black hair that's like cut up to here with the, and she walks around like that. Hairstylists, are there any watching this? Please tell me if this is a good haircut, because why does it go down here, like up and then down? Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. She looked like this before, okay? Before they made her look like, I gotta look this up. What's her name? Tell me it doesn't look like this, but blonde. It's the same thing. It's the same, literally the same haircut. Look at, here, I'm gonna prove my point. Look at the edges of this hair. Look, the edges of this haircut. This is Edna's younger sister, Gen Z, and she's Gen Z.
This needs legal action immediately.
Oh, Tiffany, it's dead. My confidence level, 9 out of 10.
It's a more enhanced.
Okay, so see, this is a respectable haircut right here. They just like cleaned it up, like refined it. This one's good. I respect this. Okay, this one's good too. Honestly, I don't mind this one. Again,
This
they did.
hairstyle
See, they barely did anything to her hair. They gave her a little trim. It looks good. This one's good. I'm happy with this.
I
No. Oh, God. I'm going to need a minute. This was her before. And this is her after. Oh, my God. So now she has to keep her hair parted in this way forever or until this grows out. And how is it going to grow out? Like one side is going to grow out longer than and then how is she going to? She's stuck with this hairstyle. Again, very limiting for a model. This is not good from a model's POV to do a haircut like this. The agency would not approve of this, just so you guys know.
Thank God this is the color that I want.
Oh my God.
Rocking this.
No. I'm sorry. Why did they do something so drastic for her, but then they gave all the other girls like really good makeovers? The agency would not approve of this.
Rocking this new mullet gives me more age to win this competition. So girls, better watch out.
I mean, I'm glad that it's growing on her. I knew that they're going to select a few girls and give them the craziest haircuts, and then everyone else is going to have like a decent haircut. So this kind of went as I expected it to. This is not Stardew Valley. You can't go into the wizard's basement and change your hairstyle and the color every day for $500. It's not how this works, okay? This is a hairstyle that is going to potentially get you jobs or stop you from getting jobs. So you have to consider it from the models. As a model and modeling industry, I'm just looking at this from a photographer's POV as well. But which ones did you guys like? Which ones did you not like so much? Let me know in the comments, and thank you guys so much for watching.